We're getting ready to install some mini twists similar to kinky twists basically, and I'm going to be using hair from Hotbraids. So here is the hair that I'm going to be using. Super excited because I've never used like the straight cankeline, well it's not cankeline hair, but it's just like hair like this. I've never used hair like this, so I'm super excited to see how they turn out. If you guys are interested how I'm going to take my hair from this to this, and make sure you continue to watch. So the first thing I am going to do is go ahead and part my hair off into 4 sections. I feel like this is just going to make it so much easier. I have done mini twists before, but it's with a different type of hair. When I did it that time around, I did 4 sections and it made the process so easy. So this is the first section that I'm working with. I just have one half over here and then I have another section back here. So what I am going to do is braid my hair down first, probably about maybe 4 to 8 times, and then start twisting. Or you could do a rubber band method if you don't know how to start out a braid. You can do the rubber band method, but I just feel like when I've done the rubber band method in the past, it was just too much tension on my hair, and no. All right, so this is about how much I'm going to take just starting out. I like to take my braid gel and put it in my part, and this is just going to help me get a nice clean part. Put some edge control right here on my square. I'm going to comb the product in my hair. I'm going to use my hair as one of the strands, and this is going to be the other 2 strands. Take my hair and just start braiding down. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I braided down 6 times, and now I'm going to break my hair into 2 pieces to add into my hair right here, my bulk hair. I'm going to take a little edge control, put it on my fingers, and I'm going to start twisting. And I'm going to twist really, really tight. You just add product as you go. And I'm kind of pulling up a little bit as I do like 2 twists and then pull up. 2 twists, pull up. Alright, so I told y'all this is my first time working with this hair. So now you can see this one is longer and this one is shorter. And I thought I used the same amount of hair. So I think I'm gonna have to put in more hair. One thing I've learned while doing this style is to get the perfect twist, you have to twist each strand. You see how I'm twisting each strand, and then I twist the hair together, and it just helps the twist really, really come out nicely. So I started to do that after about 5 or 6 twists. I just was playing around with it, and I found that doing this method really made the twist come out a lot better. So you see I'm just twisting each strand and then twist the hair together, and then later on I'm going to get the hang of it. I'm just going to just start twisting. It's going to become easier the more I do it, and I just add product as I go along, but I'm not using a lot of product. So one thing I've learned so far is that all you need is a little bit of hair, because when I use a lot, they tend to look like this. So it's a few that I'm gonna have to go in and redo because I use too much hair. So you don't need a lot of hair at all. You don't need a lot of hair, and I don't need to put a lot of product because it makes my hair straight and it's like hard to blend in with the bulk hair when I do that. So biggest thing is don't use too much hair per braid, like per twist, and yeah, not too much product. So you see how that looks compared to this one? My hair turned out so nicely. I am going to do a little bit more B-roll tomorrow. But yeah, I love how it turned out and it was so easy to install. So I will have this hair linked down below in the description box for you guys to try out if you're interested in trying out this style. I feel like there's so many different like styles you can do with this one style, like wearing it up in a ponytail, half up, half down, middle part, side part. The looks are endless, okay? But yeah, girl, love this protective style. Feel like this is great for if you just want something easy to manage and you want something where your hair is gonna be protected. Great style.